So how can you make the writing on your iPad a bit better? Like, how can you improve your skills? Now, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe right now so you don't miss videos like this one. So there are more ways how you can improve your skills with your drawing or writing on the iPad. One option is to explore the App Store, and literally into the search, you can type in the practicing of handwriting, right? So you can see there are more apps which let you just track the text, right? Especially this one right here, which is called writing, calligraphy, handwriting, and you can use this type of app to practice your skills when writing on the iPad. So naturally, on the screen, it's a bit different compared to the paper. So a lot of people just need to get used to the switch, and this type of app can most definitely help you out with that. So I can always just recommend that option. But there are also some other things which you can explore or take a look at. For example, there is an accessory option which you can buy. For example, there are these silicone or rubber tips for your Apple Pencil, which you can just put on the tip of the pencil, and it behaves slightly differently. Like, it just glides a bit different on the screen, so it's not expensive, so you can go ahead and just see if it makes sense for you. Or also there are like these grips for the Apple Pencil, which let you or help you hold it a bit better, and it's just there to make you feel as if you are holding an actual pen and not the digital one and using the iPad, right? So there are ways like this which can make it a lot easier and make the handwriting better for you. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to practice and also muscle memory, right? If you keep doing that longer and longer, if you just take a lot of notes on your iPad, you will get better naturally, right? So everything takes time. So let me know how you are or what you're doing right now with your iPad in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'll see you later in the next one.